Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I have an amazing New Year's project for you. It is a one-word resolution. Now, think about it. We always make these resolutions at New Year's, and they're long and they're drawn out, and of course, the next day after New Year's, we've forgotten about them already. But what about just one word? Wouldn't it be great if we just had one word that we tried to accomplish throughout the year, or maybe the next day or a week? So one-word resolutions. I love this idea. And it comes from our good friends over at Art Bar Blog. And I'm going to put the link down below because I think it's brilliant. And she has done all the work for us. You'll be able to download these amazing sheets, and each sheet has 3 sets of words on it. Here you can see connect, persist, evolve. So how do you put it together? Well, all you do is you cut these apart right at the line and write down these lines on the side, and then you just tape them to a nice board like this. And this is just a piece of Dollar Tree cardstock that I got. And as you can see, you just line them all up, and it's kind of like, you know, when you go to the supermarket or you go to the laundromat or someplace like that, and they have those babysitter things where you can like tear off and take somebody's phone number home with you. Well, it's the same sort of thing. Really super easy, really super cool. And you just say, okay, this year I'm going to focus on one word, and that word is going to be, and you take a look at the board, you figure it out, you pull it off, you put it in your pocket, you know, and you like can think about it. You can put it in your wallet so that every time you open up your wallet, you remember, oh, I'm going to focus on this. So let me see. I'm going to take a look. I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to go, this year I'm going to try for compassion. So that becomes my one-word resolution for the year. And I think I can handle that one-word resolution. Now, the other thing that you could do with this, which is super, super fun, is you could pick one for your friends. So, you know, you can say, okay, my dear friend, I think what you need more than anything is to laugh. And so you and I are going to hit some comedy clubs. I think this is a fabulous idea, and I hope that you will check it out. So again, that is Art Blog. I have this problem with saying this. Let me try it again. Art Bar Blog. One more time. Art Bar Blog. You try saying that 7 times fast. The link is down below. Make sure you check out the website because I think it is awesome. And all of her ideas for New Year's are great. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com. And remember, we want to pass on the admiration for other people who are doing great stuff. So go and check out Art Bar Blog.